Ever feel that itch? That deep, undeniable urge to just go? To trade your 4 walls for wheels? And a view that changes every single morning? To wake up to the sound of crashing waves instead of an alarm clock? Or fall asleep under a blanket of stars you can actually see? If you're craving adventure and the ultimate freedom of the open road, you've come to the right place. We're counting down 10 epic RV destinations that aren't just stops on a map. They're core memories waiting to happen. And hey, if you've been to any of these amazing places already, let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear about your experience. Get ready to fuel your wanderlust, because these places will have you booking a campsite and hitting the ignition before this video is even over. Kicking off our list at number 10 is the incredible diversity of the Pacific Northwest. This isn't just one spot, it's a whole region of adventure. Think of camping under the towering ancient trees of Olympic National Park, exploring the dramatic coastline of Oregon, or witnessing the powerful beauty of Mount Rainier. The PNW is in River's dream, with countless state parks and Forest Service campgrounds offering stunning bases to explore from. Whether you're into hiking, fishing, or just cozying up with a coffee while watching the rain fall in the forest, this region has a unique, moody magic all its own. Coming in at number 9 is a tropical paradise accessible by one of the most famous overseas drives in the world, the Florida Keys. The Overseas Highway is a 113-mile stretch of road that leaps from island to island, across stunning turquoise waters. Your RV adventure here is all about island time. Park your home on wheels at a waterfront campground. Spend your day snorkeling in John Pennekamp Coral Reef State Park, eating key lime pie, and watching unforgettable sunsets. It's a unique blend of RV camping and a Caribbean-style vacation you won't find anywhere else. At number 8, we find the mystical red rock country of Sedona, Arizona. If you're looking for stunning scenery and a serious dose of natural energy, this is your spot. Sedona's towering crimson buttes and spiraling rock formations create a landscape that feels almost otherworldly. There are fantastic RV parks nestled right among these red rocks, offering some of the most dramatic backyards imaginable. You can spend your days hiking iconic trails like Cathedral Rock or Bell Rock, browsing art galleries, and simply soaking in the breathtaking views from your own campsite. Landing at number 7 is a destination of pure, rugged adventure, Moab, Utah. This is the ultimate playground for the outdoor enthusiast. Moab is the gateway to not one, but two incredible national parks, arches, and canyon lands. Picture yourself waking up, and within minutes, you're hiking to Delicate Arch or watching the sunrise over Mesa Arch. The landscape is a wild mix of deep canyons, massive stone arches, and endless desert vistas. It's a must-do for any who are looking to immerse themselves in the classic American West. For our number 6 spot, we're heading to the most visited national park in the country for a very good reason. Great Smoky Mountains National Park, straddling the border between North Carolina and Tennessee. The Smokies are a wonderland of biodiversity, ancient mountains, and hazy blue horizons. The park is incredibly RV-friendly, with several great campgrounds like Cades Cove and Elkmont. You'll have access to countless hiking trails leading to majestic waterfalls, opportunities to spot black bears and elk, and drives through some of the most beautiful forested scenery in the eastern United States. Breaking into our top 5 is a true alpine jewel, Lake Tahoe. Stunningly clear blue water. Surrounded by the majestic Sierra Nevada mountains, Lake Tahoe is a destination that delivers in every season. In the summer, you can kayak on the lake, hike the trails around Emerald Bay, or just relax at a campground among the tall pines. In the winter, you can park your RV at a nearby resort and enjoy world-class skiing. The views are simply unparalleled, and the fresh mountain air is an experience in itself. Our number 4 destination is a land of ancient giants and deep, powerful canyons. It's the one and only Grand Canyon. No matter how many photos you've seen, nothing prepares you for the sheer scale and awe of seeing it in person. The South Rim is the most popular and accessible area for RVs, with several campgrounds right on the rim. Waking up here, making your morning coffee, and walking just a few feet to peer into a billion years of history is an RV experience you will never, ever forget. Taking the number 3 spot is the crown of the continent, Glacier National Park in Montana. This park is raw, rugged, and breathtakingly beautiful. The highlight for any driver is the legendary Going to the Sun Road, a spectacular engineering marvel that climbs through the mountains, offering insane views of glaciers, valleys, and pristine lakes. Due to vehicle size restrictions, you'll likely need to use the park's shuttle system, but it's absolutely worth it. Secure a spot at one of the park's campgrounds like St. Mary or Apgar, and get ready for some of the most dramatic scenery in the Rockies. We are down to our final 2. And the runner-up at number 2 is a place where the journey is just as famous as the destination, the Pacific Coast Highway. This iconic drive along California's coast is the ultimate road trip, Imagine winding along cliffside roads with the windows down, the ocean breeze coming in, and the freedom to stop at every incredible viewpoint. You could explore the rugged Big Sur coastline, the charming towns of Carmel and Monterey, and camp to the sound of crashing waves. It's an unforgettable experience that defines the spirit of RV adventure. And now, the moment you've been waiting for. The #1 epic RV destination that will make you want to hit the road immediately is Yellowstone National Park. The world's first national park is a geothermal wonderland that simply defies expectation. Nowhere else on Earth can you see geysers like Old Faithful, brilliantly colored hot springs, bubbling mud pots, and incredible wildlife, all from the comfort of your RV. The park's Grand Loop Road connects all the major sites, and with numerous campgrounds, you can spend days exploring its vastness. From the majestic Hayden Valley to the powerful Grand Canyon of the Yellowstone, it's a quintessential bucket list American road trip for a very, very good reason. There you have it, 10 absolutely epic destinations waiting for you. Which one are you adding to your list first? Let us know in the comments below and tell us if you've already been to any of them. Your stories are the best part of this community. If you enjoyed this countdown and want more content to help you plan your next adventure, make sure to show us some support. Hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss what's coming next. Until next time, safe travels and happy trails.